Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word distortions. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The artist used various distortions in his paintings to create a unique and abstract style. Distortions refer to alterations or twists in something's original form, often used creatively in art to convey a different or exaggerated perspective. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.